Going to start with the permanent tissue, the simple permanent tissue, and we are taking up the category for sclerenchyma. Simple permanent tissue is basically the group of one type of cells. So they are going to perform one type of function. But what happens is what you can see in the flowchart that simple permanent tissues are of three types: the parenchyma, the collenchyma, and the sclerenchyma. We have already told you about the parenchyma and the collenchyma. The parenchyma, basically, they are the packaging tissue. Just a recap. And the collenchyma tissues, they are living and they have the thickened corners, but the thickening is uneven, which is you have to understand. And because of this collenchyma, the plants can take a bend and can are more flexible. But now we are going to talk about the sclerenchyma cells because they are basically the dead cells with thickened cell walls. Sclerenchyma cells are usually dead cells, thick cells, and lignified cells. We have highlighted those words because they are very important. And basically, they are made up of two type of cells. One is in front, the picture is in front of you, which is showing you a fiber and a sclerid. Fiber is, you can see, with the tapering end, and sclerid is somewhat round, right? Fibers are spindle shaped. हम इसको बोलते हैं tapering ends are there, and they are the sclerids. They are the stone cells also. They are sometimes called stone cells also. You can see we have to understand that what is the thickening here. The thickening is made up of lignin. The cell wall is uniformly thickened by lignin, and these cells, they have lost the division power and they have become mature enough. They are basically the dead cells. So what is the main function they are going to provide? We have already discussed in the first slide. Let us revise it again, that it is a supporter. It is going to support the plant body and will provide protection to the plant. So whatever strength the plant and the tree is holding up, it is because of the sclerenchymatous tissues. Now, as I've told you, the sclerenchymas are of two types, the sclerids and the fibers, right? The fibers, as you can see here, they are elongated, they are spindle shaped, whatever you want to say, and they're basically found everywhere in the stem, the roots, the leaves also. And these are basically around the vascular bundles, right? And very important thing is that what is the function they are performing? They are basically performing the function of support to the plant. Comparison must be there when you are talking about the three type of simple permanent tissue. So one simple difference that you can see easily is a cell wall, and the second important difference you can talk about is they are living or sclerenchymatous cells are dead cells. What is the composition that will be also included as per the difference is concerned, that they are made up of cellulose, and here the lignin, a cement like material will be there, which is waterproof. A lignin material makes up the sclerenchyma. Thank you so much.